If you're still typing on your iPhone keyboard with your fingers, you're wasting time. There is a tiny button on the iPhone keyboard that most people completely ignore, and it's honestly one of the most underrated iPhone features ever. Look at the bottom right corner of the keyboard, that little mic icon. Tap it. Now, instead of typing, just talk. You can literally say full sentences, long paragraphs, messages, notes, anything. And your iPhone will type everything for you automatically. So if you're lazy, busy, eating, driving, or just don't feel like typing, this feature is amazing. And the crazy part is that so many iPhone users still don't use it. Now, if you don't see the microphone icon on your keyboard, here's how to enable it. Open the settings, then go to General, then Keyboard. Scroll down until you see Enable Dictation. If it is off, turn it on, and that's it. Now, every time your keyboard opens, you'll see that mic icon. Tap it, speak, and let your iPhone do the typing for you. Like and subscribe for more hidden iPhone tips.